I'm sorry, what? Are you dude? Hi, my name is FejiroDA and welcome back to my channel. I know I've been away for a while, please forgive me. I've had a lot going on. I've had a lot of work. It's been a lot. So today I'll be filming a Get Ready With Me. Your girl is about to hit the streets. Well, not hit the streets, but hit the clubs. I'm going to be recreating a look that I've done before. This look, to be precise. Damn, I look like a bad bitch. Like, hopefully I can actually recreate this. This video is going to be a two-part video. There's going to be the hair section of the video and then the makeup section of the video. Let's get started. Quote of the day: everyone belongs in the kitchen. The kitchen has food. For my hair, I'm going to be wearing a wig. This is my natural hair. I just had it blown out, washed, and then I braided it. The first thing I do is lay my edges. I can't believe I'm even showing this on camera, but anyways, I don't really have edges like that. So this is how I sort of like finesse the edges look. So you're gonna need basically three things. Got2B, a rat tail comb, and a toothbrush. Toothbrush you don't use to brush your teeth, obviously. Toothbrush just for your edges. Take the hair that I wanna do out. So we're gonna start with the middle. Okay, the way I like my edges to go, I like middle, here, here, and then my sideburns to go like that. I take some of the Got2B. So I'll just put some of the hair itself. Then with my toothbrush, I take my middle finger of my opposite hand. I'm right-handed, so my toothbrush is in my right hand. And then I will brush and then use my middle finger to lay the hair as I'm curving. And just like that, swoop. Then I'll take my round tail comb and like use the rat tail comb to really define. And that's one, two. Is a wig cap that is really like close to my skin tone, so that way sort of like matches. This is just to help like protect my hair so that I don't have like snags and stuff when I put on my wig. So back to the hair now. So I'm using a Toni and Guy curling wand. It's one of those that have like a clamp. Now the reason why I like this is because it's quite big, so it gives me like nice big waves, not like those really tight waves. Okay, let me get my wig. Well, I look crazy. I look like a crazy person. Now I have this curling wand on the hottest. Before I start, I'm going to spritz my hair with some of the TREsemme heat defense. Just like a light spritz all over my hair. Then I just run it through with the brush. Make sure everything's nice and coated. You always want to curl away from your face. Put it through, flip. Pass the hair through, turn again. Do that until all the hair is in the barrel, and then you just wait. I usually hold it until like I feel like the hair is hot, like 30 seconds. Then you unravel. See, just like that. Okay, so the bigger your sections, the bigger your curls. And I unravel it with the way I curl it. And there you go, like that's a curl. I'm watching Off Air with Bemi and Tools. Their new episode, they're talking about the FejiroDA thing. Actually, let's even talk about that. I don't know if you guys are on Twitter, if you've seen it, and FejiroDA saying that, oh god, he's thinking Dollywood is real life.
Any young man who gets down on his knees to propose to a girl is not just an idiot. He's a bloody fool. He's a compound buffoon. And the reason why I'm saying it is simple.
Why are you saying it, sir?
We try to copy white people, right? I believe in the sacrosanctity of our culture, the essence, the core of our culture. The white man kneels down to propose to a girl. You know what it means? The girl takes over the family. This is why whenever you disagree with your wife overseas, you are kicked out and your wife takes the house. Don't you people know that?
He basically said that if a man goes down on one knee to propose to his wife, that he's a fool. Clearly, he thinks Nollywood is real life. That's the only logical explanation I can give this. You know, the funny thing is, people are like, oh, he's so wise, he's so this, he's so that. Because his characters in films are always meant to be the knowledgeable old man, you know. People now legit think this man has sense. Like, if you want to be a tribalist, right, and if you want to say, okay, it was because it's white man culture, we adopted it for white man culture. A lot of things that are white man culture, we shouldn't do with them. Use the Igbo culture, for example. Now, when the husband dies, the wife should bathe the husband. She should stay in one place. She should not be seen. She should shave her head, and then she should wash the dead body, and then drink the bath water that they used to wash. So we should still keep those cultures too then. Is that what you're saying? Because he's Igbo now, is he not? I'm just baffled that we are even giving this man a platform to make it seem that he's even intelligent, because clearly. And now some idiot on the show comes to say it's not mandatory for a man to know how to cook, but it's mandatory for a woman to know how to cook. I'm sorry, what? Are you dead? To any guy watching this, you as a guy, you don't have a girlfriend, your mother is obviously not going to be cooking for you, you've moved out. You don't think it's mandatory for you to be able to learn how to cook your own food? What year are we living in that people still have the mentality to think that, oh, it's not compulsory for a man to cook? Thank God my mother, or rather, it's not even my mom, thank God my brother had sense. Like, my brother is one of those few guys I know who realize, see, come, I like this, I like so and so type of meal, I should be able to cook that meal for myself. When my brother goes home and nobody else is in the house, he can make his food for himself. He doesn't need to be waiting around for somebody to come and cook for him. Like, it makes no sense to think that in this day and age, there are still people who genuinely believe a man knowing how to cook is a plus. Moving forward, before I could date someone or be with someone, you have to have a certain level of intelligence. Intelligence in regards to equality and just feminism in general. You can't expect me to be the homey person, to be the person who cooks. For you to come and tell me, oh, as a woman, you should be, you must be sick, like an actual sicko. Stay there now. When hunger hits you, you go and soak Gary and you learn how to cook rice. Nonsense. Any guy who literally still has that mentality, I'm sorry, you're dumb. Like, you are actually dumb. Any guy, any woman, any sex that still has that mentality, you are actually dumb. Like, what? I'm done with the lower half of my hair. Now going to the top half. This idiot now wants to say being able to cook should be a gender role. Shoots me now. Actually shoots me now. Starvation too should be a gender role. Some men can proudly open their dirty mouths, like their dirty mouths, to say these kinds of things. Don't you feel stupid as you're saying it? Oh God. Cooking should be a standard skill that every grown-ass individual over the age of, in fact there's no age limit, that every individual should know how to do. There are kids who are literally 5 cooking, boy and girl. First time my brother cooked, right? It was because my mom had traveled. I was in school at the time, boarding school. My sister was in boarding school as well. So just him and my dad at home. My brother, who wasn't even up to 5 at the time, my brother went to go and boil Indomie. Like, cooking is a survival skill. Every basic person who wants to survive should know how to cook. Shebi, you know how to eat, therefore you should know how to cook. If you know how to open your mouth to eat, you should know how to use your hand to cook. End of story. True. Everything is literally on YouTube. The other day, this is a confession I'll make here. I don't really like jollof rice. Yes, I know, shoots me. I'm a Nigerian who doesn't like jollof rice. But the only jollof rice I like is patty jollof rice, like, you know, firewood jollof rice. So I literally was like, hey, you know what? I'm craving jollof rice. How the hell am I going to make patty jollof rice? There's no firewood. I went on YouTube, smoky patty jollof rice, and I found a recipe, and I literally just followed they literally tell you what to do. Add this, do this, buy these ingredients. Like, you're literally just following steps. So you can't tell me even with that you don't know how to. It's not possible. I'm sorry, but it's not possible. You know what it is? Anyone that tells me they don't know how to cook, you're just lazy. It's literally just laziness at that point. Especially if you're a guy stuck in your stupid, foolish ways that cooking is meant for a woman. So what? It will emasculate you to learn how to cook. Like, you'll no longer be a man. And then you go to open your mouth, you wouldn't marry a woman that doesn't know how to cook. Sorry, can you cook? PSA to all the guys who are trying to toast me. If you don't know how to cook, please leave my DMs. Escape. Remove yourself. Because FejiroDA does not date guys who doesn't know how to cook. So if you know how to cook, get at me. So I'm assuming if a guy believes he should cook, he also believes he should that type of guy, sorry. He also believes you should clean as well. So I'm guessing you're dirty because you don't clean. Because clearly cleaning is also a womanly chore. See, if you can't cook and you can't clean, I'm sorry, I don't want you. Like, it must be there on your CV. I know how to cook so cuisine. If you can't clean, your skill of cleaning, like, are you like hotel level type of cleaning? If not, what are we doing here? You know? Hey God, fine babe like me, date man that cannot cook. What's the meaning of that? Oh, look at that curl. If you cannot help me, please leave me alone. Period. So if I don't know how to cook, I'm not wifey material. Bust my brain! Bust me. You know what? You are dumb. I mean, look at me. And I've not even finished, but look at me. I will not be with somebody that cannot cook. What kind of insult is that? Honey, relax more.
Relax.
So, while my hair is cooling, at this point is where I would now like to lay my lace, okay? Because it's a closure wig, I don't really put this across the whole head, just like the very front bits where the closure is going to be. Okay, so the glue is now almost clear-ish. What I'm now going to do is take my Got2B Spray. Now I wait for that to dry. I do 2 layers. First is the Got2B Glued, and the second layer is the Got2B Spray. I found that this is what works for me, and this is what really helps my lace to like stay. So I'm gonna wait a few minutes just for that to like get tacky, and then I'm gonna pull this bad boy and lay it. Just rake your hands through the hair. I'm gonna separate the curls a bit, but not too much. You still want like a nice bouncy curl. This is our look for now. I'll go get changed and then I'll be right back. Yeah, this is the look. Let me know what you think. Did I nail it? Did I not nail it? Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching if you made it this far. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. What do you want to see from me next? Like, let me know what kind of looks you want to see. What do you want? Challenge me and I'll try and do it. I thoroughly enjoyed watching. I thoroughly enjoyed filming this look. So thank you. Today's feature song is YSL by You. It's available on Apple Music and Spotify.
Top for the game, ballin' like a winner. Ain't nothing to it, ain't
Black screen.
one in a really smooth operator. Try to come and roll with a nigga.